In late 1700s, in a small classroom in Germany, a teacher named J.G. Butner wanted to keep his students occupied for a long time. So he gave them a task. The task is to find the sum of all numbers from 1 to 100. So nowadays, if the teacher give this question, we just use the formula, that is n into n plus 1 by 2, which is pretty easy. But in late 1700s, this formula didn't exist. So we are going to find the story behind this formula. After the teacher gave this task, everyone in the class started to groan, and they just started to add the numbers like this: 1 plus 2, which is 3, and again 3 plus 3, which is again 6. But our 8-year-old Gauss, a student in this class, is said to have walked up to the teacher's desk and placed his slate down. He came up with an idea. So our 8-year-old Gauss is here, Carl Gauss. He is a great mathematician and an astronomer as well. So when he was 8 years old, he just went to the teacher's table and gave his slate with the answer. And the answer is 5050, the sum of first 100 natural numbers. So how did he came up with this answer when this formula didn't even exist, n into n plus 1 by 2? It didn't even exist at that time. So how did he came up? So what he did was, he just wrote the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 up till 100. So the task is to find the value of s. And he wrote this number again in the reverse order. And what he did was, he just added these two numbers, 1 and 100, 2 and 99, 3 and 98. He added the numbers in pairs. So the answer is again 101. Here also 101 again. Here also 101 again. Here, and so on till we get 101 100 times, which is twice the answer. So 100 times 101 is added. So 100 into 101 equal to 2s, which again leads to s is equal to 100 into 101 by 2. So this trick only led to this formula that we study now. So how it got generalized? Let's see the generalization of the formula. So to understand the generalization, let's just first try to find out the sum of first 10 numbers. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So to find this out, we are going to find pair of numbers when they added together produce same number. We are going to group these 10 numbers into pair, that is a group of 2 numbers, and each group when they added together produce a single number, same number. That is, I am going to pair 1 and 10. When they add, I am going to get 11. Similarly, I pair 2 and 9. When I add, I get 11. Similarly, I pair 3 and 8. When I add, I get 11. Similarly, 4 and 7 and 5 and 6. So here the sum of each pair is 11. and 11 can be written as the total number of numbers, that is there are totally 10 numbers. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Okay, so if there are 10 numbers, 10 numbers means I get 5 pairs, that is half of 10, 5 pair of numbers whose sum is 10 plus 1. 5 pair of numbers whose sum is 10 plus 1. Okay, so if I have n numbers, if I have n numbers, I am going to get n by 2 pair of numbers whose sum is, that is a pair, sum of each pair, the sum of each pair, remember each pair is n plus 1. So the sum, that is the formula for first n natural number, is now generalized as totally how many pairs is there, n by 2 pairs, and their sum is n plus 1. So the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this little boy's idea, this little boy's trick leads us to this great formula, the sum of first n natural numbers. I hope you guys understand the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I am a great teacher as well. Like, share and subscribe Easy Math.